right over here. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to PewDiePie. And today what I'm going to show you is how to transfer your files from your phone storage into from your phone storage, your internal memory, into your SD card, your external memory. So go to the file manager, all files, home. Home is where you'll find both of them, your internal storage, the one for the phone, and your external SD card. Go to the internal storage, pick the item that you'd like to transfer. Like I got the downloads, like I like to transfer a picture, this picture of Dexter. Long press, I'll put in that you long press. Hit this toolbar, the one with the clipboard and scissors. Go back to your SD card. This is and pick the folder that you like to transfer it to. Like for me, I'll transfer the picture into my pictures, obviously, and hit this toolbar over here, the one with the clipboard, and that's it. See, Dexter. It's Dexter. That's just what you're supposed to do. Like, let's try and transfer another file. Home, internal storage, SD card. Go to the internal storage. Pick another file. Pick another item, or you can even pick a whole folder. Download. Hit the toolbar. Back. SD card. Excuse me, but it's getting sick, man. You see, there's download and the downloads. It's in the download, right? Like, you see, everything that was in the internal storage in the folder, it's right now over here in the download. Let's go to home. Let's get the internal storage. You see, there's no longer download in my internal storage. Let's try and pick another item. No. That's folder empty. I'll delete that definitely. Want to transfer. Let's transfer this picture. Like, let's first of all look at something, man. Yeah, see, this picture is in the internal storage. So long press. Hit this toolbar, the one with the scissors and clipboard. Go back. Man, I hit this phone. Sorry. So file manager, all files, internal storage, pictures, Instagram, the folder. That's where this picture is. So the toolbar with the scissors and clipboard. Back. SD card. Pictures. Hit this toolbar, and right now it should have come. Yeah, it's this one. Like, let's wait for it to load. We'll see the picture in just a moment. You see? Yeah. Home, internal storage. Pick the file that you like to transfer. Hit the toolbar with the scissors and clipboard. Home, SD card, the folder that you like to transfer it to. It's as easy as that. Like, you can even confirm. Like, if you go back to where I picked the pictures from, it's no longer there. Look, it's no longer there. You see? It's just as easy as that. So yeah, that's about it. So thanks for viewing my video. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. And also, don't forget to hit that thumbs button to give me a like. And also, don't forget to subscribe to PewDiePie. PewDiePie must win. PewDiePie is the king. Yeah. Have a nice day or night. I don't know when you're watching this. Thanks.